Now that I got the tape out, I'm going to put the tape right here. There's one side of it. There's the other side of it. All I want to do is get this, these two pieces back together. I'm going to put it in this cassette. Take this tape out. Let's see if we can do this. I'm going to cut it so I can fold it over. Okay. Put it on one side. Just got to make sure I don't get it too far down. Otherwise, it's not going to go through the... Well, that didn't go on right. Otherwise, it's not going to be able to travel through the cassette piece. Maybe if I do it like that, and then do it like this, I think that may have, well, that's not on straight. You got to get it on straight. Okay, try it again. Like that. That may work. And I got to do this side. Put it like that. You got to make sure you get each side right, because it ain't going to do you any good if you get this wrong. Alrighty, got to line the tape up. How's that? That's not too bad right there. Not too bad. I can get this up and fold this over. Maybe. Okay. Well, here goes nothing. This is kind of tedious work, and it's kind of slow going, but you got to take your time. I guess that's pretty much true about anything you work on in electronics. You got to be patient. You can't just, you know, hurry up on it, because that's when you make mistakes or do really sloppy work. I know what. I've got something. Where's it at? There you go. I got this little hucky puck from Fender. I bought some Fender strings, guitar strings one time, and that's got some weight to it. So that will work on that end. So and Splice is now on the take-up reel. So that's the way it needs to be. Okay, well, here goes nothing. That tape looks like it might be crimped or something. Might have a fold in it, so Hopefully it's not damaged so bad. I think what it is, it's folded. And you got to make sure you get those folds out, because it ain't going to play that way. Because I need to wind that splice up on the take-up reel, so it will already be passed, because I'm not sure it's going to be able to pass through this cassette housing. And I might have got the tape on there good enough for it to work, and may not have. I'm not real sure. But I do know I'll save myself a lot of trouble if I just go ahead and wound this up like that. And that right there is a splice. So that way it will already have passed through the passageway. And plus, you don't have to worry about the tape coming apart while you're playing it if you've already got this wound up this way. So there it is. All I got to do is put the screws back in it. Well, I don't need that magnifying glass for that. I keep getting away from the camera. And of course this tape was made by a cheap recorder with a microphone, taping a cheap old used radio I used to have. So the quality isn't real good, but for what it is, there it is. For what it is, I want to save it. But anyway, there's the cassette.